Alrighty, what's up? Guys, we're back, same spot as yesterday. Today is raining. Today we're trying something a little bit different. It's this thing. Fish have been going crazy over it for a while now. So we used a little grub with a tiny spinner on the back of it. I just bounced around on the bottom and I've caught 2 fish. Really wish that this rain right here would die down because it is not helping anything, like at all. Just barely cast it out there. Okay, like, might have to walk over there as well, where the shore is a little bit farther, because that's usually where they like hanging out at the most. Just bouncing it on the bottom, and just bouncing it some more. Oh, that was not a bite. I promise you that was not a bite. I might have to go move over to the other spot again, because it is not working too well right here. Be most interested in it right when it's at the bank right here. It's like, let's just eat. Hold up, my brother's calling me. Okay, these fish are loving it, but they're also not they're also not eating it, which is kind of hard. Oh, that guy took it. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was cool. Alright, you think I'll be able to get it out of his mouth? Holy cow. Oh, thought I just snapped my line. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, dang. Yep, so this right here is the culprit. Feisty guy. Quit it. Brother, this is the first one that I've had that didn't like fully cook it. Or like he cooked it, but he didn't. Quit wiggling. You are annoying. I can't even grab it because he's just... Ow, he's trying to nip at me. There we go, buddy. Look at that. Ooh. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Hey. Ah! I think I just broke him. I'm just kidding. Oh, there he goes. Kind of. All right, there he goes. All right, sick. See that? So, oh, dude, I keep sliding down this thing. Okay. Anyways, we're about to catch some more. Hopefully 0 gut hooks, and yeah, should be pretty cool. Oh, I'm gonna be doing a ton of more salmon fishing videos, probably like 1 a day, if I can have the time to download them. Oh, I'm on one. Look at that. Okay, this guy ain't even bad either. He's gonna be a pain to get the hook out of though. I mean, look at him. That already tells you he's not happy. Like, oh, take that one back. All right, we're just gonna let him slither back into the water. Sick, dude, on the... All right, let's get it out there a little bit farther and do that. Oh, one just got it. Yep. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, this guy's annoying. Bro. Obviously, bro's never been caught because, like, come on, man. Oh, shoot, it's through his gill. Oh, whoa. This guy's deformed. What? Yo, yeah, we're using these pliers. He just snapped at me. Ow, hey. Dude, he just poked me with this hook. Guys, this one's deformed, I'm not even joking. I'm gonna get the pliers out of my pocket and rip this thing out of his face. He ain't happy about these pliers. Yes. Okay. It's fine. I need him to... Look at that. What is that thing? What is that? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like... Okay. He's literally like a snake. Like, this is probably the most slippery fish on the planet. Hey. This is annoying. Alright, let's get this guy back into the water before he wiggles out of my hand, as he's doing right now. Get back in the water. There he goes. Woohoo, baby! Dude, that guy was cool. He was deformed. What? I don't know what was wrong with him. He's pretty cool looking though, man. Let's get this thing back up. Dude, I never knew that my lake had this many salmon in it. Like, oh, he's on it. He got it. Yep, he got it. Nice one. Heck yeah. Oh, shoot. My bad, buddy. Oh, there we go. He's off. Oh my gosh. Look at his eye. Well, I mean, yep, we're not even gonna, we're just gonna get this bad boy back in the water. That probably freaking hurt really bad, buddy. Okay, he was just a little bit lost. Youch! I have it. Oh my god, it's the big guy. Dude, the big guy keeps trying to eat it. Oh my god. Guys, I'm not even joking. Like, just kind of bring it up to the surface. Alrighty, he has it. There we go. Not the big guy, but he's a decent one. He ain't horrible. My rod is fighting for its life. Need to set this guy down up here. Oh yeah. Oh, he crushed it. Look at that. He freaking destroyed it in his throat. You gotta open up your mouth, buddy. Yeah, do that. He's chomping down on my pliers. He is biting onto my shirt. Let go. Dude, he's literally... Okay. There we go. Not the big guy, but caught one at least. Oh, would you stinking quit it? This guy right here is annoying. It's really stinking annoying. I need you to open up your mouth. Okay. I'm yanking the living heck out of this guy right now. Hey, let go. Okay. That might be my PB set so far, guys. This might be my PB right now. This is my PB, guys. This right here is my PB salmon. Oh, yeah. Hold on, let me... Alright, let's get this guy back in the water. I just need to show you guys real quick. PB salmon right there, boys. PB salmon right there. Alright, bro. Yeah, just keep flopping your ass down. It's hard, though, because it's like I want to just chuck him straight into the water, but people are going to hate on me because it's killing them. Even though just actually trying to walk him down to the water and release him normally, is actually what's killing him. Come on, buddy. Recover. You got it. Come on, buddy. Nope, nope. You're not gonna do that. Come on, come on. Nobody. Bad little salmon. Hold up. Once I revive this guy, I'll turn back, or once I'm done with this guy, I'll turn back on the camera. It's just kind of hard right now because it's pointing at my legs. He's a little bit confused, but he is staying upright kind of, so I'm just gonna kind of keep trying to revive him a little bit. Alrighty. There we go. He's off. Yes, sir. Shot off like a stinking rocket. Let's go. That is seriously what is up, man. Almost died. All right, let's throw it back in there and just see if I can't get one more. That guy latched onto my hoodie. That was like really crazy. So my grub is like literally about to fly off. So I think I might actually have to put on a new one. But before I do that, oh, I'm on. Holy cow. I was on. Oh my God. Literally my worst salmon ever. What? Bro, this guy's literally tiny. What? Guys, are we serious? He's got bite marks in him. I can feel his bite. Well, maybe those aren't bite marks. Okay, buddy. Yeah, I got you now. Seriously, just thought I was snagged. Annoying little mofo. He's not even that hooked. It's like, it was literally like through his nose. But I just... Hey. Alright, let's get this bad boy back in the water. I just need to hold him like that though, because he is feisty little son of a gun. Look at that. Personal worst salmon right there. Alrighty, didn't actually end up catching any of those fish. I'm actually leaving right now. Ooh. Ouch. Yeah, GoPro kind of died. Not died, but like shut off because it's about to die. So, anyway, dang, bro. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Guys, a salmon just, bro, he literally just laid his eggs all over me.